Well, the first thing I want to make for y'all is just a Waldorf salad, but I renamed it Golda's Frozen Waldorf Salad. It's very nutritious, pretty, and colorful, and it's very simple to put together. We're going to start with some lemon juice and some pineapple juice and some sugar and just a pinch of salt. Now we're going to let this cook for about 5 minutes until it just gets thick. And then we're going to put this aside and let it cool for a few minutes. And I already have some ready for us right here that's cooled off, and you can see it's gotten nice and thick. Now all we're going to do to this is add some fresh whipped cream. And I want to tell y'all who Golda is. She was actually my Uncle George's mother. From the time I remember as a child, she was totally bedridden. She was an invalid from arthritis. And I used to love to go over there and sit on the foot of Golda's bed, and she would tell me all kind of stories. But my Aunt Peggy used to tell me about this wonderful frozen salad that Golda would make. So my Aunt Peggy didn't have the recipe, but I just talked to my Aunt Peggy and talked to my Aunt Peggy until I could formulate this and put it to use. All right, now I have folded in the whipped cream into our syrup. Now I'm just going to toss in apples, because apples are the main ingredient, and some diced celery, and some miniature marshmallows. The kids love those. Some split grapes, and I do recommend you using a seedless grape. And some crushed pineapple. And these are walnuts, and you can use your favorite nut. You could actually use a macadamia nut. I love those. So we're just going to fold that all together. Look how pretty that looks, all your different colors. I just love when you bite into it and all the fruits are frozen. It's just really, really good. All right, now all I'm going to do is put it into my container. Kind of looks like heavenly hash almost. All right, now I'm just going to cover this with some plastic wrap and pop this into the freezer. And we're going to let it sit until it's completely frozen all the way through. Okay, and that's ready to go. It feels frozen. It looks frozen. I'm just going to cut me a little plug out of here. You know, it might be a good idea to take this out and maybe let it sit on the counter for 5 or 10 minutes. It might be easier for you to work with. I think I'm going to just stab him. There he comes. He's coming out. Can you see all the colors? The apple and the grapes and the celery. It's delicious. And Golda, we still miss you after all these years. It's yummy.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.